Running an insurance agency comes with a wide range of responsibilities: managing clients, organizing policies, tracking commissions, maintaining compliance, and staying on top of renewals. These tasks can quickly become chaotic without the right system in place. AMS360, developed by Vertafor, is a comprehensive agency management platform specifically designed to handle the daily operations of insurance agencies. It brings all your agency's key processes, policy management, accounting, reporting, client communication, and document storage into one streamlined environment. In this video, we'll walk through the key features of AMS 360, explain how each one supports your operations, and help you understand how to make the most of the platform in 2025. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the policy and client management. At the core of AMS 360 is a robust system for managing policies and client relationships. Each client record gives you access to contact details, active and past policy, communications, claims, and more. Everything is stored in one place, making it easy to provide fast, informed service. You can also track activities such as policy changes, cancellations, or endorsements. The system keeps a full history, so your team is always up to date, no matter who last worked on the account. So, having all policy and client data organized in one place improves accuracy, boosts productivity, and ensures better service delivery at every touchpoint. Another key feature is the integrated accounting tools. AMS 360 comes with a built-in accounting system designed for insurance-specific workflows. It supports payables, receivables, producer commissions, trust accounting, and general ledger management. Transactions from client billing and carrier payments flow directly into your financial records. You can also process commissions more efficiently, whether for internal producers or external agents, and easily generate financial statements when needed. So, built in accounting helps eliminate double entry, reduce errors, and streamline financial operations, saving time and ensuring compliance with industry standards. Another key feature is the renewal management and task automation. Keeping up with renewals is crucial in the insurance business. AMS 360 enables you to automate reminders, generate renewal lists, and schedule follow ups. It even lets you build workflows that automatically assign tasks or generate communications based on policy timelines. This means you can proactively engage clients about renewals or cross-selling opportunities without relying on memory or manual processes. Automated renewal tracking improves retention rates, keeps your pipeline full, and ensures clients receive timely service that builds long-term loyalty. Another key feature is the real-time reporting and dashboards. AMS 360 features customizable dashboards and detailed reporting capabilities. You can track key metrics such as sales activity, policy status, earned commissions, producer performance, and more. Reports can be exported, scheduled, and shared across your team. Agency leaders gain visibility into operations, while producers can monitor their individual performance in real time. Accurate reporting empowers you to make data-driven decisions, identify trends, and quickly respond to business challenges or opportunities. So why is AMS 360 a great choice? AMS 360 is more than just an agency database. It's a full operations platform tailored to the complexities of the insurance world. Its insurance-specific design ensures that everything from accounting to policy servicing is intuitive and efficient for your staff. It's also a scalable solution. So whether you're managing a small agency or overseeing multiple locations, AMS 360 provides the flexibility to adapt your size, goals, and workflows. Its tight integration with Vertafore's ecosystem allows for easy expansion into coding, rating, compliance, and more. What makes AMS 360 especially valuable in 2025 is its focus on automation, connectivity, and regulatory readiness. As the insurance industry becomes more digital and client expectations rise, AMS 360 gives you agency the tools to stay ahead, offering speed, visibility, and control. It's a platform that grows with your business and supports your team at every stage, helping you maintain a competitive edge while delivering excellent service. So basically, AMS 360 is an all-in-one solution that helps insurance agencies streamline operations, serve clients more effectively, and maintain full visibility into performance and compliance. With powerful tools for policy management, accounting, renewals, and reporting, it takes the administrative burden off your team so they can focus on growth and service. So, if you're looking to modernize your agency, improve internal workflows, and boost client satisfaction, AMS 360 is one of the most effective tools available. Its insurance first approach ensures your needs are met now and well into the future. So, investing the time to learn and implement AMS 360 can lead to greater efficiency, improved staff productivity, and a stronger bottom line in 2025 and beyond. So, that's basically it for this video. So, if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.